But like, I just I was free spirited. Like, we were in this world freely. 75 cents a pack when you started, Tracy. That's crazy. So it's gotta. How much are they now in Canada? You know, this dude is rolling. I get a kick out of it. This bar is like packed, bro. Today, how? Yeah, $1.65. They're $20 a pack where you are now, and you've not quit, Miss Tracy. He said he quit when he hit $5. Like, I didn't quit when it hit a certain amount, but I was paying $20. Damn, his cigar stunk. But I was paying $20 in New York, in Staten Island. Sometimes I would ride up to where what's his name got killed. Eric Garner got killed on Bay Street, and I would go up there and I would buy, the 3 cigarettes for $1. I'll go up there and do that, or two for $1. I don't know how many I bought. I think they was three for $1. I'm not sure, but yeah, he got. When they said he was selling loose cigarettes, he probably was. They're expensive, so they would go to Virginia and buy them. I get a super duper deal, $50 for a carton. How many cigarettes is in a carton? 200? Yeah. My sister rolls her own. She honestly used to. She's got the machine. She won't get the stuff. She keeps buying the $5 packs, you know. And I'm like, he said he'd rather suck his exhaust fumes for free. Damn. And I just told him earlier, like, I remember just smelling it and just inhaling a drag of a cigarette and just, man. But I also noticed the quality change on these cigarettes as well. And, things added, things taken away, things changed. That Newport is not the same, you know. Also, when I got into vaping and stuff, I could not, I could not stick with, I couldn't, like, vaping just was the worst for me. It was the worst thing to quit. I don't know what salt nicotine even is. I don't. You're good for that, Fixer. You are good for that. And I'm happy that you quit. But Tracy, I know. You can quit that. You can quit that. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm about to put this. I got some pops. I got some sodas for 57 cents for my sister. So hold on. Let me put this in so I can get 25 points. I'm in Texas, Fixer. Avid Camper, welcome back. Give me 2 seconds. Let me put this in the system. Let's 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 I hit the camera thing. What happened? Oh Lord. Why is that stuck like that though? I hit the camera thing and it's still showing me right there.